Let's be real for a second. You didn't plan to be here. You didn't wake up one day and say, "Yeah, I want to feel tired, distracted, and stuck in a loop I can't control." But somehow, it happened. One video turned into 10. One bad habit turned into something you hide. And now, even when you want to stop, you can't. If that feels like you, this video isn't here to judge you. It's here to help you take your control back. Because this isn't just about porn. It's about your focus, your energy, your confidence, your life. And the truth is, if you don't take control of this now, it slowly starts controlling everything. But here's the good news. You can break this. And I'm going to give you 5 real practical tips that actually work. Tip 1. Understand the trigger. Most people try to quit by using willpower. That's why they fail. Because the problem isn't just the habit, it's the trigger behind it. Ask yourself, when do you usually fall into it? Late at night? When you're bored? When you feel stressed or lonely? It's not random. Your brain is looking for an escape. So instead of fighting the urge, start noticing it. Because once you understand your pattern, you stop being controlled by it. You start seeing it coming. Tip 2. Replace, don't just remove. Here's a mistake almost everyone makes. They try to remove the habit without replacing it. That never works. Because your brain still wants something. Dopamine, relief, distraction. So what happens? You quit for a few days, then fall back even harder. Instead, replace it. Feeling bored? Go for a walk, hit the gym. Feeling stressed? Listen to music, breathe, journal. Feeling lonely? Call someone, step outside. It sounds simple, but this is powerful because you're not just quitting something bad, you're building something better. Tip 3. Delay the urge. You don't need to win forever, you just need to win this moment. When the urge hits, don't fight it immediately, delay it. Tell yourself, not now, maybe after 10 minutes. Then distract yourself, do anything, push-ups, walk, drink water, change your environment, and something crazy happens. The urge fades, because urges are like waves. They rise, they peak, then they disappear, but only if you don't act on them instantly. Tip 4. Make it hard to access. Right now, it's too easy. One phone, one click, done. That's the problem. So make it harder. Install blockers. Keep your phone away at night. Don't stay alone in private spaces too long. Change your environment. Because discipline is good, but smart systems are better. You don't rely on motivation, you remove temptation, and that changes everything. Tip 5. Stop guilt. Start progress. This one is important. Most people stay stuck, not because of the habit, but because of the guilt after it. They mess up once, then think, I've already failed. What's the point? And that leads to another relapse. Listen carefully. One mistake doesn't define you. Progress is not perfect. If you fall, you don't quit. You reset, you learn, you go again. Because the real win is not never falling. It's getting back up faster every time. So let's lock this in. Understand your triggers. Replace the habit, don't just remove it. Delay the urge. Make it harder to access and stop drowning in guilt. This isn't about being perfect. It's about becoming better than yesterday, tonight. Don't try to change your whole life. Just win one moment, one urge, one decision. That's it. Because that's how it starts. And if you stay consistent, you won't just quit this habit. You'll become someone stronger. Let's improve together.